A speech on importance of education. A very good day to all my dear subscribers. I want to give you a speech on the importance of education, about which all the people know. Education play a very important role in everyone's life. It is very important to get proper education in the same way as the healthy body needs food to achieve success and happiness. It is very necessary to live a great and better life. It provides physical and mental standards by developing a person's personality and changes the level of living of the people. It promotes the feeling of living a better life as well as being and get physical, mental and social level. The nature of good education is constructive, which creates our future forever. It helps a person to improve his mental, physical and spiritual level. It gives us a lot of confidence by providing knowledge of many areas. It is also the single and the important part of personal development along with success. We are incomplete without good education because education makes us the right thinker and the right decision maker. In this competitive world, education has become the major imperative after human food, clothing and housing. It is capable of providing solution to all kinds of problems. It promotes corruption, terrorism, good practice about other social issues among us and awareness. Education is the most important tool for providing internal and external power for a person. Education is the fundamental right of all and capable of any desired change and upliftment of human brain and society. We should have a habit of learning something from our teachers, parents, family members and other people related to our life throughout our journey. We keep learning about something to be a good person. Living in home, society and community and friends, going to school and taking education is very important for every person, and it is very important for those who want to achieve success. We all are born on the same planet in the same manner. However, due to the lack of money and lack of knowledge of the parents, there is not a single opportunity for such formal education which can lead everyone's success. The person who receives proper education is eligible for appreciation in family, society and country. Proper education for everyone remove all forms of discrimination by bringing equality among people. Education not only enables us to study history, science, maths, geography and other subjects, however it is also teaches us how to handle bad situations in life. Teachers play a very important role in providing a good level of education. Whatever we learn from our parents and teachers, we live with our lives, which we again transfer to the next generation. The purpose and benefits of proper education are not limited to personal benefits, except for the benefit of the family, society and other people have different meanings, needs and perceptions in society. However, its real meaning and significance never changes. A good education helps us to emerge from poverty problems as well as being self-reliant in society. Many people study with hobbies, not like a burden. They like to read and develop their brain and skills. Some historians like Swami Vivekananda spend their entire life learning and distribute it to the poor people of the society. We should also be fully benefited by understanding its true value. The purpose of our education should be to help the other needy people of the society, to get them out of weakness and superstitions. Education is that incredible power which helps us overcome the evil forces, makes us self-reliant and provide new possibilities and opportunities, provide opportunity to become troubleshooters and create excellent decision makers. It helps our brain to remain calm by balancing the body, mind and soul. Through the key to education, a person can easily open the difficult locks of success. In the absence of good education, many people are forced to work hard for 2 full days of food. Therefore, education is essential for a better and happy life to all of us.